Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make lobster dunks. This exciting move adds a unique flair to your gameplay, allowing your player to perform an impressive aerial maneuver. It's a fantastic way to showcase your skills and energize your team during crucial moments. We'll cover the exact controls and best situations to pull off this spectacular dunk consistently. To execute a lobster dunk, first, hold the sprint button as you drive towards the basket. Once you are close to the rim, press and hold the shoot button. This combination should trigger the animation. Remember, your player needs a strong dunk rating to perform this move effectively and consistently. Practice the timing to perfect your execution. Lobster dunks are most effective when you have a clear path to the basket, minimizing the chance of a block. They are ideal for players with high athleticism and a strong vertical. Try to avoid attempting this move in crowded situations, as it can easily lead to a turnover or a missed shot. Look for fast breaks or isolation plays for the best results. To truly master the lobster dunk, dedicate time to practicing in the game's training mode. Experiment with various angles and player positions to understand the optimal approach. Pay close attention to the timing of your button presses. Consistent practice will help you develop the muscle memory needed to pull off this spectacular move reliably during intense matches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.